So I will be discussing the 6G introduction, 6G technologies, and 6G applications. So first is the 6G introduction. So 6G is the sixth generation standard for wireless communication technologies that support networks in telecommunications. So nagsimula tayo sa 1G, 2G, 3G, 4G, then 5G, and then papunta na tayo sa 6G. So, ano ba yung ultimate goal ni 6G? So, the ultimate goal is for it to replace or coexist with 5G networks, and it will provide much faster transmissions up to 95 gigabit per seconds. As wireless communication becomes more and more important in our daily lives, the demand for 5G connectivity is growing at an exponential rate. So the power of wireless is propelling our society forward from self-driving cars to internet-connected coffee makers, from smart sensors that monitor medical conditions to factories full of robots. So as the need for connectivity grows, it's vital to begin defining the 6G standard and gaining a better understanding of the benefits and problems that 6G will bring. So marami nang gumawa nito, yung nag-define sila ng 6G standard, nagkaroon ng mga research to better understand the 6G technology. So nag-start nito is sa bansang Finland noong 2019. 6G initiative was launched in University of Oulu. And then on 2019 sa China, 37 research institutes have started focusing on 6G research. Noong 2019 naman sa USA, spectrum between 95 GHz and 3 Terahertz has been opened. Sa South Korea, noong 2019, KAIZEN and LE Electronics have established a 6G research center with collaboration. Then noong 2020 sa Japan, si Sony, Intel, and NTT have collaborated to work on 6G technology. Japan has planned to spend $2 billion on 6G industrial research. And then sa Saudi Arabia, noong year 2020 din, researchers from KAUST have started working on 6G technology. And from 2021 to 2026 sa South Korea, Government of Korea will invest $169 million to secure 6G and planning to launch 6G pilot project in 2026. Kaya ito na yung mga research initiative na ginawa ng iba't ibang mga bansa para mapag-aralan yung 6G. So how about the 6G technologies? So first is yung artificial intelligence. So AI plays the most important role in future network infrastructures as compared to other technologies. So AI has gained a lot of attention from various research groups. So with this growing research, various privacy and security problems are also emerging. Although AI is also integrated in 5G technology, however, it is considered as the key component para sa future 6G. AI technologies are subdivided into physical layer consisting of network infrastructure, architecture layer, computing layer which contains software-defined networks, edge cloud computing, and network function virtualization. Next technology is quantum communication. So it is one of the another promising technology ng 6G network. It can significantly increase reliability and security of data transmission. So quantum state is affected with any adverse eavesdrop. So quantum communication offers security with essential breakthroughs. It can provide solutions and elevate communication which is not possible to achieve through traditional communication techniques. However, it is not the only panacea for all security threats. Although research has been carried out to develop quantum cryptography, but fiber attenuation is a served issue in long-distance quantum communication. Next is blockchain. So it is one of the prominent technologies sa 6G network. It has several uses such as spectrum sharing, distributed ledger technology, and network decentralization. So blockchain technology can also overcome spectrum monopoly and low spectrum utilization. Blockchain privacy concerns are related to communication, authentication, and access control. Next technology is the VLC or visible light communication. So VLC is a promising technology to meet the rapidly growing needs of wireless connectivity. VLC has been deployed in vehicular ad hoc networks and indoor positioning systems. So it is noticed that VLC limits EM interference. Some research studies have demonstrated high-speed data transmission by using LEDs. Some deficiencies exist which affect the performance of VLC communication. In particular, VLC technology mainly supports indoor scenario as it is severely affected by natural light. The security issues of VLC technology include communication problem and malicious activities. So, itong figure 9, pinapakita niya yung OWC or Optical Wireless Communications in 6G technologies. So, andyan yung V2X communication, smart home, e-health, smart shopping, space communication, cellular connectivity, and underwater communication. So next technology is the Terahertz technology. Existing RF band cannot be utilized para dun sa future 6G technologies. It has spurred the demand for terahertz technology. So terahertz communication technology use 0.1 to 10 terahertz band. Moreover, it exploits optical signals and EM waves. So next is the 6G applications. So first, 6G pwede siya sa multisensory XR applications. So the low latency and high bandwidth of 5G technology has extended the VR or AR experience for 5G users. Nonetheless, some existing challenges should be removed in 6G network. The VR or AR experience will be enhanced in 6G network. Multiple sensors can be allocated to gather sensory data. Hence, the XR in 6G network will be formulated from URLLC and EMBB. The security concerns of EMBB and URLLC include internal communication, access control, and malicious attack. Next application is connected robotics and autonomous systems. So another promising application of 6G technology. A comprehensive autonomous system is required in 6G network as compared to 5G. This system should be based on a multidimensional network. In addition, the system must be capable to embed artificial intelligence across the network. So this feature will support automatic controlling of internal components. So may mga research na ginawa. So they develop an automated factory which contains cloud services, database, and UAV networks to make it a complete autonomous system. So 6G will be helpful for underwater robotic tasks such as security, imaging, and rescue. 6G will enable efficient surveillance, navigation, and robotic communication. It will develop a reliable, secure, and smooth communication channel for real-time applications. So, low latency and high-speed data transmission of 6G will be helpful to obtain video data. Next is wireless brain-computer interactions. So, the concept of wireless BCI is to develop a link between device and the human brain. So, this device can be placed inside or outside the body. So, marami tayong mga napanood na mga movies, similar with this 6G application, with the wireless brain-computer interactions. So, the key application of wireless BCI is to control auxiliary equipment for disabled people. It is expected that BCI will have more applications with involving 6G technology. The security risk of wireless BCI, yun nga lang, ang disadvantage nito yung sa encryption and malicious behavior. Next application is accurate indoor positioning. So with evolving GPS, outdoor positioning systems had been developed accurately. However, indoor position systems need research attention to cope up with complicated indoor EM propagation. New aspects of full-fledged applications are expected with reliable and accurate indoor positioning services. However, alone RF communication cannot achieve accurate indoor positioning. Such crucial application only be realized with 6G technology. Next is holographic communications. So 6G will make it possible to realize virtual in-person meeting than traditional video conferencing. So ngayon, sa mga meetings natin, gumagamit tayo ng traditional video conferencing either sa Teams and then sa Zooms. So once na dumating na si 6G, so para na rin tayong nagkikita-kita, virtual in-person meeting. So it can be achieved through a realistic projection of real-time mobility in short time. It is not sufficient to transmit 3D image with voice to realize in-person presence. However, it requires a stereo audio incorporated in 3D video. We can state that user interacts with holographic data and can carry out possible modifications as needed. This scenario can be captured by reliable communication networks with extremely large bandwidth. So next is tactile communications. After realizing holographic communication for virtual in-person meeting, it is advantageous to carry out tactile communication to transfer the physical interaction remotely. Specifically, it includes interpersonal communication, cooperative automated driving, and teleoperation. Stringent demands or these applications can be met through reliable cross-layer communication system. Moreover, delay can be mitigated by carefully handling handover, scheduling, queuing, and buffering. So next is the Internet of Nanothings. Nanotechnology is providing remarkable opportunities to design advanced materials. It has developed nano devices like nanosensors. So it has the capability to perform simple tasks and enable internet connectivity. So Internet of Nanothings is developed by integrating nanotechnology with Internet of Things. It has the ability to sense and transmit information. Internet of Nanothings can be deployed with allied technologies such as big data, cloud computing, WSN, UWSN, and IoT. However, Internet of Nanothings faces a limited memory space issue for real-time implementation as data storage depends on the size of nanomemory. Another potential issue is high biological noise and congestion control in nano devices. Next application is the Intelligent Internet of Medical Things. So, Intelligent Internet of Medical Things will remove space and time hurdles to perform surgical operations. 6G will provide high-speed communication for efficient performance of telesurgery beyond boundaries. So, Intelligent Internet of Medical Things will make sure of holographic communication, tactile communication, and AR and VR to assist remote doctors. Thus, 6G technology will ensure intelligent healthcare. It is expected to bring mobile hospital technology which can remove ambulance services. So in future, it can offer medical devices to perform special medical tasks which can greatly reduce the possibility of medical staff in contacting with viruses. So hindi na kailangan ng mga ambulance, ano? So napakabilis na ng pag-check or pag-check ng mga doctor dun sa mga patient, lalo na pagka-critical. Okay? So that's it for the applications, for the technology, and for the introduction of 6G. Thank you.